Hey Universe, welcome to our presentation and analysis of some plants and their properties.
Hey everybody, my name's Colton. We're out looking for plants today. Rarely we go out looking for a specific plant, but I saw this one last time we were out here and it was looking good. Actually, it looked exactly like a plant we did already, but it was purple. So we need to see that. And we're racing the sun here, so we should run. Seems like we found this great little yellow flower here. Let's take a little looky at it. Oh, who's that guy?
This plant, like many other plants, struggles to find a taxonomic home with either asparagus or lily families. The plant prefers full sun and serpentine soil. Difficult to grow from seed, it can take years for a bloom to develop, if at all. They require wet winters, dry summers, and are indicators of good ecosystems. The bulbs are edible, and the cahuilla of the San Jacinto use the starches to make adhesives. Contained within are high levels of specialized antioxidants, which are known for their benefits to cellular activity. Antioxidants are electron-donating molecules which readily give up their electrons to free radicals. Free radicals are damaging molecules that are unbalanced and steal electrons from intracellular molecules, setting off chain reactions.
But that's not what we came here for. We came here for a very special plant, and we're looking for that right now. Out looking at this one really cool little flower here. It always seems to be closed when I come by, but let's take a look at it.
This succulent is not common but is native in California. It's in the stonecrop family, which is revealing to the type of soil it prefers. The slight angle it grows at relative to the ground has evolved to prevent rosette rot, that is, the accumulation of water in the basal portion, which allows for microbial infections. A serpentine-loving plant and an indicator for clay, hummingbirds and photographers revere this plant for its lovely colors. In general, succulents share common traits that differentiate them from other plants regarding carbon fixation, or the techniques of procuring carbon dioxide from the environment. C3 plants represent about 95% of the plants, while C4 and CAM plants developed later in Earth's evolution. The main benefits for C4 and CAM plants are in hot and dry environments, which allow them to reduce evapotranspiration, or to conserve water.
Hey, we hope we're gonna catch this plant before the sun sets. I think it's in a drainage that still has sun, but we're, watch out. Dog's out here running, chasing. Let's play. Yeah, oh. All right, we're coming up on the drainage here where I thought I saw it last, so let's take a look here. Yep. All right, it's almost gone. It's almost dead. Let's take a look. Purple.
This little fella is very particular in where it grows. Heavy concentrations of serpentine. The flower stalk or inflorescence is a coiling cyme similar to that of the boar-edged fiddleneck. This plant will cause dermatitis. The sticky glandular hairs exude geranyl hydroquinone. Contact can cause a rash and irritation. By themselves, however, geranyl, known as geraniol, is a steroid, alcohol, and flavone. It's awesome, and it readily bonds with acetic acid. Hydroquinone, by itself, is a reducing agent. It is also the backbone of coenzyme Q10, an oil-soluble vitamin-like substance required for mitochondrial health. In just a short period of time, we are starting to see patterns emerge out of the seemingly chaotic and random world. Organizations of seemingly meaningless data that we can analyze to build maps for us on the future. I hope you enjoyed our presentation, and we welcome your comments and questions.